Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zarina binti Isa and my metric number is 2013526. So let me write it first. So today I will conduct the experiment 2 using Tinkercad. So first thing first, we need to have the breadboard first and then put the resistor, which is the R3 in this case, using this circuit. So and then put another resistor like completely to the circuit, just like in the slide. So another resistor, which is this R1, and then R2, and then the last resistor, which is R4, and then I'm going to connect it, so like that, the wire, so then connect to the bottom this wire and that wire. And so I'm going to write the name and put all the value of the resistor first. So for R3, and then R6, and then R5, then R1, I'm referring to this circuit, R1, R2, and then the last, which is R4, and then we're going to put the power supply right here. So the voltage is 10, and then that is a positive side, and then negative side. Okay, so this is the circuit we're going to stimulate, and that is the value of the current, and put all the multimeter to measure the value for table 2.2, table 2.3. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to put the negative right there and positive. So if I put the negative at that part of resistor, this is a loop, right? So everything need to put the negative first and then positive. So the notation needs to be correct for the value to be correct. Okay, then that is the second multimeter. Going to work on the third multimeter, which is for the CD. This one is for the CD. And put on the color so that we will not get confused. And the last multimeter, which is for DA. Then after we finish it, we're going to stimulate it. So start simulation, and this is the value. So the value is all, if we sum it all, it will approximately equal to 0. Okay, that value. Okay, stop simulation and delete all the multimeter, and I'm going to continue for the table 2.3, which is for the big loop, AC, CE, and EA. So we're gonna start with AC first. Yep. And then we're going to continue for the CE. Put it on the negative right there. Okay, so that is kind of okay. And put the color. So the notation needs to be correct. So if I put the negative positive, then the other should be negative positive for it to become a loop, a correct loop. Okay. So the last one is EA. 2 Okay, so after this, we done all this, I'm going to stimulate it. So start simulation, and that is the value, which is also approximately equal to 0. Okay, so delete all the voltages, and then continue to put the current, measure the current. So put the multimeter and set it to amperage because you want to measure the current, and current need to be break, so it will be open circuit, and I put the negative right there and positive at the resistor, so that is the value. Then another current to measure R4, that, and then put the negative anywhere, and put the positive at the resistor. So this is the value. And then for the last current, which is leaving the node, I'm gonna put the positive anywhere and put the negative at the resistor, and that is the value. Yeah, thank you so much.